Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to copy opportunity products from one opportunity to a newly created opportunity using Salesforce flows, record specifically record triggered flow. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in the last session I have discussed whenever a opportunity is getting closed on, then I'm going to create a new opportunity using that record triggered flow and updating the existing parent opportunities, this related opportunity lookup field with the newly opportunity id, right? So just let me go through you go if with the existing flow that I have created in the last session, and please do check out that video as well. So I will provide that video link in this YouTube description. So it will be triggered, this record triggered flow will be fired whenever this opportunity is getting updated, and whenever the opportunity stage will be closed on, then only this flow will be triggered. And the triggering properties is like only when the record is updated to meet the condition requirements. So this is selected, and I am just creating a new opportunity. I have named it like create a cloned opportunity, and creating this setting up the fields manually. Like these are the required fields to create opportunities. That's why I have just added those fields only, like close date, name, and stage. In close date, just I have created a simple formula. Let me just show you the formula as well. So this is like today plus 10 days. So opportunities close date will be 2 days plus 10 days after 10 days. And stage will be prospecting, and the name will be like that existing parent opportunity name, then space, then cloned. So that will be the newly created opportunity name. And with the help of this update the triggering opportunity element, I am just updating the existing parent opportunities, this related opportunity field, with the newly created opportunity id that I am getting from this create records, so that I can just get a reference for the newly created opportunity and just quickly navigate to that opportunity. So this is a related opportunity, is a lookup a relationship field, so used to just reference opportunity records. So in this demo I'll be just create updating this existing flow to copy, means up to now whenever this opportunity is getting closed on, just only those three mapped fields like closed on, that stage, and stage another field was name, was getting updated with that in that newly created opportunity, but no products were getting copied. So we can see that for this opportunity record there are three opportunity products, that is specifically opportunity line items. So I have already created separate tutorials on what is opportunity line items and all. I'll be adding that tutorial link as well for in this YouTube description. So we can see that this opportunity contains three opportunity line items. So our today's task will be like whenever this opportunity is getting closed on, I'll be just copy this opportunity line items into the newly created opportunity. So let me just create a new version of the flow, and let me just enhance the flow to meet that requirement. So let me just zoom it little bit, and so our up to now this I'm creating this new opportunity record, this using these create records. Now we need to get all the existing opportunity line items for the triggering opportunity, right? So I'll be using this get records. So get uh, parent ops line items, and our Salesforce object should be opportunity product, and its label is opportunity product, but the API name is opportunity line item. So I'll be retrieving all those opportunity product, so whose opportunity id, so this is the opportunity id field, is equal to triggering opportunities record id, right? Triggering opportunities id. So this is how we can just simply, and I'll be selecting this all records. So this is how we can just simply get all those line items for the triggering opportunity record. So for this case there will be three line items. So in this get records, so which is now a collection, since I have selected this all records. So so this collection now contains 3 records for if I consider this for that opportunity. So I'm just getting those opportunity line items using this get records. Now we need to just uh, I am just adding a decision element just to check whether these line items, this get records is not empty. Check ops having opportunity line items. So line items, it's not empty. Let me just is not empty. I'm just adding the labels, and in the resource what we need to select, we need to select this get parent ops line items get records element. So this one is null, should be false. That is this opportunity get records element is not empty, right? So for that part only we need to create those line items. So a new opportunity got created, right, with the help of these create records. Now using these get records, we are just getting the existing opportunities, means that parent opportunity line items, and in this decision we are just checking whether this get records is not empty. So whenever the line items are not empty, we need to create those line items for the newly created opportunity, right? So we can just create 2 variables. We need to create 2 record variables. Just I'm choosing this new resource, and resource type should be variable. One for the record, for the opportunity product var, let me provide the name like this, opportunity product var, and the data type should be record, and the object should be opportunity product. So this is for a single variable, right? So we need to go through, we need to write a loop for this one, and we need to provide also a collection variable in which we can add all those opportunity records, opportunity line item records, right? I am just creating a new variable as well for op line items. This is line items. So earlier one just as record variable, but in here I'm just creating a collection variable. I'll choose this allow multiple values, in which in this container we will be adding all those line item record. So I'll be just adding the object name as well, opportunity product, and I'll be clicking on done, and just need to click on this add icon to add a loop. So we'll be just writing a loop to uh, go through this get records, go through this line item records. So loop through the line items, right? So in here I need to select this collection variable, which is nothing but this opportunity parent, this get parent of line items. So in this path it is not empty, and we are just looping through this by first element to last element, and we need to provide the assignment element, so in which we will be using those that record variable assign values of line items, line item fields to the record variable. So I'll be selecting that opportunity single record variable, this one, opportunity product var, this one. So this one dot opportunity, I'll be adding that opportunity id as the first mapping. So value should be that current loop element, current item from the loop dot opportunity id. So these are all the line items that are found in that parent opportunity, and I am just mapping with those line item records fields with the opportunity, a newly created that opportunity record variable, so that we can add this opportunity record var into a collection variable, right? So I am just adding this another map that I can add, like opportunity product var dot total price. I can add just as a mapping, like, and we can select from this current line item total price, then We can add another mappings as well. This price book entry ID. Then opportunity product where. So we have up to now we have added opportunity ID, total price, price book entry ID, and we can just add this date as well. Current line item, current item from the loop dot date, and of product where. We can add this quantity as well. So up to now I have just mapped all of the line item fields to the opportunity product record. Now we need to add all of these records into that collection variable that I just created. So again I am just adding a assignment element, assign or add all the line items into the collection. So I'll be choosing that collection variable, which is nothing but this one of line items, which is a collection, multiple values are allowed. So I'll be selecting this one, opportunity line items. Then I'll be adding add. I'll be using this operator add, and the value should be this opportunity product var, right? And we are good with this addition, and we just need to perform a DML operation outside this loop, right? So I'll be using that create record elements. So create line items. So I'll be using this multiple values, how many records to create. Since our case multiple line items will be created, and since that is why I just created that collection variable. And in here record collection, I need to choose that opportunity line items collection variable, right? So we are good with the enhancement for the flow, and the best practice is always to add those fault paths for each of the DML actions. But as of now I'm not adding those fault paths. I can just activate, or we can debug this flow as well. Let me just debug it quickly. uh, I'll be selecting the skip start condition requirement, so that I can just updating that, skipping the updation of that stage. So I'll be click on the run, and we can see that our flow gone through the expected path. So I'll be just testing this one for this opportunity record. So currently this opportunity is in qualification, and there are no related opportunity, and there are 3 opportunity products. I'll be updating the opportunity stage to closed on, and let me see. So opportunity got closed on, a new opportunity got created. So let me check this one, and we can see that there are no products got added into here. Let me just debug the flow then. um, Prospecting, let me debug this one. I find no issues in the debug as well. Okay, no line item found. Okay, I got the issue. I am just updating the existing opportunity record. That is why the issue is there, but we need to update that newly created opportunity record, right? So what we need to perform, like, no, what we need to update. So in here I'm just getting those opportunity line items, and while creating the opportunity line items, so in the opportunity product where opportunity id this mapping, we need to select that newly created opportunity id, right, not the existing current opportunity id. That's why the issue got happened. So I'm just creating, just adding that cloned opportunity create record id. So let me just create a new version, unless we can't save and activate the flow. I'm just activating this one. So now for this opportunity I'll be testing on this opportunity as well. Like for this opportunity there are 6 line items available. I'm just making it to qualification again, and let me just delete this reference as well. So now for this opportunity record, these are the 3 line items. I'm just updating the opportunity stage again, and the our updated flow is activated with this updated opportunity mapping. And we can just test this one, making this closed on again, and we can see that our new opportunity got created as well. And now we can see that these line items got copied over. So in here we should find 6 line items, since the updated parent opportunity was 6 line items. So this is how we can just simply copy opportunity products using a record triggered flow to a newly created opportunity. So that's all for today's demo. I'll be adding more tutorial on Omni Studio and Salesforce topics. So please stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank